As many as of that opinion say aye. As many as of a contrary opinion say nay. The ayes have it.
Thutha wa giikaro kia bunge kia muthe wa ioko bana abunge a Jubilee marokire giikaro-ini kia umuthe mari na itanya rimwe gutikirira Moogaruruku maria marendekithio ni mahitukio ari umwe wa maria maraiguithanirie thingira-ini wa irigi muthe wa ira kuria maragomithanitio.
Object of my proposed further amendments is to provide that the Commission is empowered to also employ a complementary mechanism for transmission of results in the event of technological malfunction.
Several ways where you can identify the voter.
Okay. Okay, your point has been made, Honorable. Your point has been made.
No itanya ria origere tina yukio wega ni abunge a mungethaniro abunge aya a mungethaniro makiumururuka giikaro-ini kia bunge undu uria uheire Jubilee kanya kega ga kuhitukia Moogaruruku macio.
But then we had agreed, Madam Chair, that these machines have not yet been manufactured, and they can be manufactured in a way that fingerprints will not be the only. Please.
Okay.
Madam Speaker,
your point has been made.
Fingerprints.
In light of the fact that the 8 months are since expired before IEBC.
Ni kirokire ni ingi kigumiirwo ni nditimurano to ya mĩario tu no nginyagia ya ngundi gatagati ka mĩahu ĩrĩ ya kĩũteti. Thutha wa kuumururuka giikaro-ini kia bunge abunge a mungethaniro merekeria maruru mao barabara-ini gutetia itanya ria Jubilee. Na giikaro kiu gigithie na mbere nyumba-ini ya iciriro mungethaniro uma na giikaro na andiki a mohoro kunyiruria kuhitukio kwa Moogaruruku macio.
And I want to tell you, we have information that yesterday at the Kamkunji they held at State House, members of Jubilee were instructed to use the most lethal and unreasonable force against our members.
Shame on them. Shame.
One leader even told them, target Gladys Wanga, vunja shingo.
As a leader, I don't think it's fair to sit in a parliament where, number one, the speaker came with a ruling that we can't debate. For us, we don't have guns, we have our brains.
Moogaruruku macio riu makihe mweke kamiti ya githurano gukahuthira njira ingi o tiga BVR kugikakinyana macini icio ni kahotoma. Ona abunge ya bururi na ajumbe a kaunti riu mari na nginyagia mwaka wa 2022 gugabatarikana gukorwo na gikiro kia digiri niguo kuhurana ituro icio. Undu ungi utianiire ni rendekithia ria kuneanwo kwa ndumiriri ciĩgiĩ uramati wa kigina gia campaign undu uria kodi itakinyanirie gukinyiriria kiambiriria kia mweri uyu ta uria watho wendekithitie. Na thutha wa giikaro kiu abunge a Jubilee mumururuka gukungwira nja giikaro kia bunge.
CAK has confirmed that more than 60% of our country is not covered by 3G.
Andu aya magukite kwenda kung'ang'ana na ithuĩ magere guikia ngundi twarwa nao twamacinda ngundi twathie kura cia guikia twikia kura na twamacinda na uturera andu mamenye riu watho no acenjia
riu twauga guku thi gutire kundu mundu agiritio guikia kura agikwane na kibande na ari na kura
ni twakena ni tondu watho ucio ri o mundu ikarathi ni ari menya ni wa muteithia na njira ino kaneria ngi.
Abunge aya ningi makiuga ni megetete kung'ethana na mungethaniro kugikinyana cira ni ukuhandwo igoti-ini kurugamia ukinyaniria wa watho ucio.
Watho uyu wahituka o uria tukwirigagiriraga no horo uria mwega muno ni ati uhoro uyu uratuitwo Jubilee agenda no horo uyu no ta watho uria ungi wothe tuthondekaga
ndiria muratwira ati no muhaka tuvuti na tutari manual ingikigwari kai mundu akoragwe na thitima akaiga kando niki
magikorwo magithii igoti-ini uhoro munene ati watho hitukagio ni bunge na igoti ritingikorwo ni rikudictatera bunge kumera uria mekuruta wira wao.
Gikaro giki kia bunge no gia gukindira mihitwa ya Jubilee rikoretwo igititirithia no nginyagia Moogaruruku maya ma watho mahituke giikaro-ini kia bunge orire anuna ao ngwatanĩro ya mũng'ethanĩro makoretwo makĩhĩta kũregana na Moogaruruku maya giikaro-ini kia bunge kana igoti-ini ona kana mĩrũrũngano-ini ya mũingĩ. Grifo Trai Noro TV ritwara kuna macharia wa Gashuru.